channel. Now we will discuss on this. Now we can see here a new event of 7th year anniversary review. We don't want that. This is our previous trade and it's going somewhere. It's just for it will come in fast generator sometime. Wait a minute. We need to read the chart first to make sure to earn profit. Again, we can see here yesterday the market was gone to great numbers around 227. Today it is 219. It is drastically decreased and the market still goes down. We can see here it is of 1 month highest price till August. Now the September it begins to down drastically. Now we can wait here and go for another stock. Let's see what about this Tesla. We can see about Tesla. You can see about Tesla. Tesla is in same zone, but it is increasing its capital. We can do here with Tesla, but it's risky somewhat. Now we can go for a little stock change here. We will go for AMD. It gives more fluctuation than any other. It seems it has a bottom zone. We can here use it for an now the market is unpredictable, so we need to be more careful while we trade. Let's see what happens at 15 seconds chart. The market goes in neutral zone and the profit is wow, the commission is very low. We can use here the commission percentage as our profit. Wait a moment. Here the market is neutral. We can't do without a market fluctuation anything. Let's wait for a moment. Here we can see all the charts above here are negative zone, as well as all the indices, metals, all commodity, crypto, all went to negative zone. This currencies also mostly negative filled. Let's see for where, wait a minute. Let's see this. It might be no, it is not good. Let's go back to Tesla. We can see Tesla how it works here in 1 minute. Let's see about oh, it's gone increasing, man. Let's wait hope for it increases. Okay, let's see. Let's second chance. Okay, cute. Here Tesla have a chance of going down. Okay, here we can $100 of trade downward. Now wait a moment. We will stop at 2% profit and take our profit back. Wait a moment. Wait. We need to wait for a couple of minutes to gain 2% income. Now we are very close to neutral. We are less than okay. We need to wait here for some time. Okay, now it comes. Come on. Yes, now we are in a profitable zone. Wait a moment. We will stop at 2% of profit. exactly 2 or more. We could stop more or less. After 2% we would stop this trade. Okay, wait, yes, exactly it was 2.04. Let's see how many trades we can do like this today session. Okay, let's go for another. No, we can do this itself. Here we can see the current moment can go downwards further. Let's have another trade here. It might take further 2% profit. Wait a moment here to settle down. Let's see the chart in zoom fix. Okay, it need to go down. No, the current market is reversing its trend now. So our prediction went wrong, and we could wait for some more time to gain this profit. Moreover, we can gain this profit. Wait a moment, wait a moment. The market, all the market trend is in downtrend. So let's see what happens in 1 day chart. 1 day chart refers to, okay, 1 day chart have, oh, we have a stop loss of 50%, exactly 49%. It is maximum to a 1 day chart. So we are not to fear anything. Just wait a minute here. Let's see gone 15 seconds short. Yes, here we can see the profit of it is near neutral zone. We have earned a lot here. Let's wait. The trend is downward and it is easy to calculate the percentage. Here we can see we take only 2%, but we got 3% as exactly by predicting the downtrend future. Here it can go downward, so I am again placing one more trade here, down trade. Let's see, the indicator shows that it can go further down trade here itself. Let's wait for the correct moment to sell the trade of 2% profit. Here we can see we are at bottom. It might go bounce back here and goes upward, but we need to verify that the trend is downtrend, so it more chance is going down due to heavy fluctuation. This might take some few minutes, but we will end up with a profit of 2 percentage itself. We need to wait a couple of minutes. Let's wait. It's about my percentage gone negative 10%. It's not a problem, big deal. We can fix this by stop loss. We have a stop loss of 49%, so we are not to fear about anything. Even the day single day maximum is less than in our range of stop loss, so it is well predictable that we can have a profit of 2% at least. We need to wait for some few couple of minutes to get the benefit. Here the market seems to be in a neutral zone and bouncing back to its uptrend. Let's analyze the market for couple of minutes. In 15 minutes chart the market went down for some time. Now it's getting back. In 1 minute chart the market is still getting upside. We need to wait for a couple of minutes here. In 5 minutes chart, the market seems to grow. Oops, it might take a while. Here you can see the maximum stop loss. We can use this stop loss to save our fluctuations in the market of our stocks. Even yesterday is the highest bid, but it is not crossed itself up. So we can wait here and make a profitable outcome. Let's see 15 seconds chart. We can, yes, the trend was in upside, but it need to be somewhere here. In my prediction, it would be at 8:13, 8:14 minutes. It would be the line we applied trade. It would reach for around 8:15. We will stop the trade with profit in my prediction. So we need to wait up to 8:15. Another time is 8:09. Wait for some minutes, couple of minutes. We can end up with a good profit of at least 2%. Now we can see here the trend was in a neutral zone, down 7:55. It went to down and then up, down, up. It is like in a neutral canal system. I am using here I am using the chart trading purpose, ball band indicators and zigzag indicator, and I am not using any parabola or something. I am using MACD indicator. Here we can see it now the trend was in coming down, and we have a negative loss of 8% or $8 9. Okay, we need to wait for a couple of minutes. Welcome back, guys. The trade we started at 8:05 p.m. Was ended at 8:38. Now the time is 9:05 p.m. I had some work, so I left the trade away. It went in profitable zone at a 33 minutes duration of $5 profit. As you see in my video starting, this trade of oil was gone up to negative 6%. Now it went to my my benefit of 5%. It is not in our part. As we say in the thumbnail, we said that here we can earn $10 a day. As you see, it is not my plan, but hence it is most profitable method to earn $10 a day. Here we can see our first trade was of 2% profit, $2, and second trade of 3%, $3, and last third trade was gone, taken some time, but it ended with $5 profit, huge profit. Entire the money adds up to $10. So we can calculate here in calculator. First one was 2 plus 3 plus 5 overall 10. We can calculate the value of $10 in Indian currency. Here we can have $1 is 74 rupees 0.25. We can here put 0 and the amount is 742.29 rupees. We simply earn this for a day. For 1 week we can earn $70 like this. We can calculate for $70 how much 5,100 rupees for 29 days in a month. The value is $290 in a month. That is 21,000. We can earn easily up to 21,000 per month by simply this method. We can see here also we can easily through 90 21,000. That is our profit of per month by $100. Easily we can earn the profit of $100 daily with a minimum profit of $10 on a capital of $100 initial price. At least we need $100 to we need to trade in this platform. Thank you. Here is our today's trades. That are four trades. All are completed in profitable zone. Today date is 28th September. Thank you.